Florida Water sent me a PR package, okay? The Florida Water. Let's open it up. This is actually like the craziest thing that I've manifested. They sent me a package. I got a t-shirt. Oh my God, a Florida Water t-shirt. Florida Water, and this is their new formula. This is the dye-free formula. Same original scent, but it's dye-free. I got one of these bottles. Ooh, I got a little spray. Ooh, this is the best aura reset ever. They sent me some sprays. They sent me a room spray. Oh, this is a money one. A money spray. A Florida Water room. These are room sprays, okay? Oh my God. And they sent me the cologne collection. This is amazing that they're dye-free. This one has all of their colognes. Palo Santo, Orange Blossom, Lavender, Rose, Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is great for negative energy. Ooh, Kananga. Ooh, and these are all dye-free. These are all dye-free. That is amazing. That is so amazing. There's more stuff in here. Ooh, these are the sprays that are also available in the 8 ounces. These are their sprays. This has the tobacco cologne, the lavender and bergamot cologne, the rue cologne, patchouli, sandalwood, lotus, and violet. Thank you so much, Florida Water. Thank you so much, Murray and Landman, for sending me this amazing PR package. I cannot wait to use all of it in my spiritual practice. This is actually a dream collaboration. Thank you, thank you, thank you.